Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quickie today. I have a new Javy box. We don't talk about this much. I have done Javy in the past and I really enjoy it. I continue to get it. I just don't talk about it a lot, but let's get into this because I'm going to tell you about something new they're doing. I enjoy the Javy so much, especially in the summer, because I think it is the super easiest way to make iced coffees. And I start every day with at least one iced coffee. And this is a very easy way to do it. I only show it to you guys periodically. Things that I am an affiliate with, I try not to do too much. And I wish I would feel comfortable doing it more because I need you guys to know I wouldn't purchase something and be an affiliate with it if it wasn't a brand that I enjoyed myself. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I like the convenience of Javy. I like that it's ethically sourced. It's 100% Arabica. It tastes so good. It's really just rich and I love the flavor. You can use it hot. Don't get me wrong. I know I'm talking it up like an iced coffee. You can totally use it hot. It takes just a teaspoon or two, depending on how coffee-y, how strong you like your coffee. Most drinks, I just use 1 teaspoon in, so you get 30 servings out of one of the bottles. I'll put all of the links below for you to check out, and I'll link past videos where I have done fancy drinks with it because it's like making homemade barista drinks in your house. But they have added a new product, and it's the Javy coffee, but it's got protein in it. And I am all about that. I absolutely need more protein in my life. I skip breakfast way too often, didn't have it today. And this is such a great way to get some protein in it, and it's new to me. This is the Instant Protein Coffee Original. It's a powder, but it feels so light and fluffy. It is 10 grams of protein per serving, 100% Arabica, 115 milligrams of natural caffeine. So for me, it's a one and done because I can't over caffeinate myself. Nobody around here enjoys that. But just for the record, they do have decaf products. I enjoy them very much. This is keto friendly and 0 sugar. That is what it looks like. So you use 1 scoop. You'll have 24 in this container. It is 50 calories. Let me read you a little bit because I know a lot of you guys care about this. It's 0.5 milligrams total fat, so virtually no fat, 25 milligrams of cholesterol, 3 grams of total carbohydrates, less than 1 gram of dietary fiber or total sugars, 10 grams of protein, and then it has a little bit of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, chloride. The sodium is less than 1%. You guys know I have talked about my love-hate relationship with sodium in the past. It is 11 grams of instantized whey protein concentrate and 100% Arabica coffee. Another one of the things I love about Javy is when I use my Javy and I'm not just making run-of-the-mill coffee from my coffee pot, I tend to make myself more fancy drinks. And I love, if you go to their website, they have so many fun recipes. This came with an actual recipe booklet. I don't know if it's for the proteins. Let's see. This is a recipe book for the regular Javy. I am certain, and I will look in a second so we'll know for sure, I am certain they have recipes on the website for the protein. But I love that it's sustainable. It comes in flavors. It's so much cheaper than taking myself through a coffee shop. Let's just call it a coffee shop. Let me look online and tell you exactly what they say about this because I could go on and on about the regular coffee. I haven't tried this yet. We're gonna go downstairs in a minute and we're gonna give it a try. It says, together, coffee and protein unlock a productive, healthy, and fit lifestyle. Energy and endurance, enhances stamina, reduces fatigue, ideal for athletes, improves mental and physical performance, probably because the caffeine, it does kind of zero you in. It is fat burning, aids in weight loss, boosts metabolism and fat oxidation. It's muscle building, provides essential amino acids for growth and recovery. It is a natural coffee, clean label, no artificial sweeteners, high protein, 0 grams of sugar. I'm scrolling through looking for the recipes. I'm telling you what, this thing has some great reviews on here. I clicked on it and they have healthy recipes. They have protein coffee smoothie bowl, protein coffee popsicles, protein coffee truffles. They have regular drinks, shakes, smoothies, peanut butter cold brewed protein shake. We're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna gather up some recipes and we're gonna give this a try. See you in the kitchen. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We are downstairs. I have found a fun recipe for a protein Javy drink. I love this. It's gonna accomplish my coffee and my breakfast all at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see the clock, but we are way past breakfast, but that is where I'm gonna start my day. And I found a fun peanut butter recipe. So let me show you really quickly how you make it. I have laid out the goodies that we need. We have our instant protein coffee. This is a little recipe book. I just put it here. We have ice, PB2, which is just, what do they call it? It's a powdered peanut butter. I didn't know if it's that simple, but it is a powdered peanut butter. We have our little, so we can stir it all up, and some milk. All we're gonna do is pour our milk in our cup. We're going to do, I'm doing this left-handed, this is a real treat. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the PB2, which actually, if you think about it, is giving me even more protein. How much protein is this giving me? 2 tablespoons is 6 grams. So just in using this, I'm getting 3 more grams of protein. So I'm getting 10 from a scoop of this and 3 from that. So this is a 13 grams of protein breakfast. That is fantastic. I just opened the Instant Protein Coffee. It is 24 servings. Let's look down in. Whoop, we've got our scoop. We're just going to do this together. We've got our scoop, and that's what it looks like. So you can tell by looking at it that it is coffee and protein because it's got the dark coloring to it. We just need 1 scoop of that. So in theory, we can make this drink 24 more times. Use this, which, what did we get it in? I think we got it in FabFitFun. Give it a good stir. It sounds a little bit like maybe I need battery. This will be good enough for this for sure. You can also, if you don't have one of these, you can just shake it. If you have a protein shaker, you can shake it in that. If you don't, I would imagine you could use a mason jar. I put, like when I make dressings and stuff like that, I use a mason jar to mix those up in quite often. Okay, I brought ice so we could just see how much we could get in there. This is looking good. And so far it is looking like a really nice protein shake. Okay, let me show you. You can see the foam separated on top. We've got the peanut butter coffee color. All right, let's give it a try. I'm going to switch you back to the tripod. I haven't done anything except for clean up my little mess and put this here so that you guys could see it. Let's give it a try. This is my first sip. Oh, that's good. Very, very peanut buttery. Yum. I will absolutely be drinking these for breakfast. I have 13 grams of protein. I think they said there's 115 milligrams of caffeine in each scoop, so that's what we have. So you have your little coffee pick-me-up. You've got your protein for your morning. This is really how I like to do breakfast. Are you guys breakfast people? I'm just not a breakfast person. I started to stop myself in there and say, you don't have to have this at breakfast. You can have this at any time of day you want. I can't wait to try more recipes of this. In theory, I could add vanilla to it. It would give it a little vanilla flavor. You could sweeten it like with a little sweet and low so you wouldn't be adding any calories. That is so good. I feel like I want to mess with it though. Hold on, let me go see, let me get some vanilla or something and we'll change the flavor up. Okay, I got my vanilla. I'm just going to put, because I've drunk some of it down, I'm just going to put a splash. Okay, is that a splash? I was afraid I was going to drop like a tablespoon of vanilla down in there, you guys know. Give it a good stir. Alright, let's see what it tastes like with the added vanilla. I hope I didn't ruin it. It was so good before. I didn't ruin it, but it didn't add anything to it. Okay, what next? Shall we sweeten it? I don't know that it needs sweetener, but let's give it a try. As I walked away to get my sweetener, I could taste the vanilla at the back of my throat. So I suspect if I had used, I'm using one, actually I'm not even going to use a whole sweet and low. I'm going to use about half a sweet and low. I suspect if I had used more vanilla, it would have more vanilla flavor. I guess while I'm concocting all these drinks, I should tell you guys, I will put a link below so you can go over and check them out. They have the regular Javy coffee, which I love, and actually, in a very unfortunate turn of events, I finished off my last bottle about a week ago, so I don't have it to show you. I'll show you here. But I love that. It takes just a teaspoon. You can do all of these same things, make fun drinks with it. I love that for just every day. I don't know if I will use this every day. I do like the idea of it for a breakfast alternative though. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like it with the sweetener in it. I have a sweet tooth. I feel like I probably have several sweet teeth that adding the sweetener, it enhanced the vanilla too. Okay, that is delicious. I can't wait to try more recipes, but I have to admit, I love that in addition to the 10 grams of protein for this, I get 3 more grams of protein in this. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know the answer, I will find it out for you. I am an affiliate with Javy, so that is absolutely an affiliate link that I will put down below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching the affiliate content that I do because it does help out the channel. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Bye, guys.